Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the Potomac beads box for August of 2025. This is their treasure box. And if you're not familiar with Potomac beads, they're a bead company. They have beautiful beads and findings, like top of the line. This box, if you price it monthly, it's $39.99. If you price it quarterly, it's $34.99, so you save $60 a year. If you price it annually, it's $29.99, so you save $120 a year. So that's actually your best bet. I've been working with them for, I think, a couple years now, and love all their stuff. Never disappointed. This was sent to me by Zinnia Garland holiday bracelet designed by Anna Tonneson. And look how pretty that is. And it's got all the materials in it. And it shows you step by step how to do it. And yeah, so this comes with it as well. I'm gonna put this over to the side. So let's see what goodies they sent us. So this is Purr and Polished Treasure Box. Welcome to Purr and Polished, a chic collection of black and white beads with a shimmer of amethyst sparkle, curated to inspire sleek, elegant designs with a hint of mystery. Nestled among the gems, you'll find a playful surprise, personality-packed cat charms. Oh, how cute. Ready to leap into your next creation and make it truly unforgettable. Oh, these are the cat charms. How cute. Okay. So, let's see. Oh, beautiful. Crystal Reveille. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, let me get everything set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so we are starting out with the Potomac Crystal Reveille Black Diamond 18 millimeter. This is stunning. Look at that. Oh, wow. And then that's the back of it. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, look at that. Just for a ring. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh. And now I'm gonna get the clear, this clear one. And now we have the Potomac Crystal Rounds 4 millimeter. And this is a package of 50. These are so pretty. And they're opal. Crystal round beads and opal 4 millimeter. So these are really pretty. I had opal when I was a young girl. My parents bought it for me. It was such a pretty ring. And number 3 are round duo Czech glass. And I love me these round duo beads. I always have a blast every month with these beads. I can't pour anything today. So you have these. Now there are 2 holes. So let me see. So let me show you. So there's one, and if you use just one, you can kind of make it dangle. And then the other one, make it dangle on the other side, although you can't tell. But these are pretty, like if you do bead weave earrings and everything, these would be really pretty. This is a really pretty box. I love all the black and white and silver. It's really pretty. Okay, and next is Czech glass round beads. Smooth rounds in smoke, 10 millimeter. Let me put a couple on a eye pen, just so you can see. Here's them. Very pretty. I'm gonna be busy this month. And next is Czech rectangles, Czech rectangle beads, chalk white, a package of 5. These are pretty. And they're table cut. I don't know if you can tell this in the, because you get that, you get like that sparkle. Table cut means they're flat right up there. I love table cut beads. They look very polished. Okay, and next is Czech glass oval beads in white. Package of 5, 20 millimeters. So we have these. These are really white. These are like ghost white. So these could really, I mean, really stand out against like some black beads. A little silver in them. Very pretty. Get ready for the holidays. Very pretty. Very soft. Next is Czech Nautilus beads, package of 3. And, oh, these are pretty. They look like they have like a silverish white wash to them. So here's what one of them looks like on an eye pin. And it's the same on both sides. Very pretty. And next is the Potomac bezeled chatons amethyst 6 millimeter, package of 12. Boy, there's some beautiful jewelry to be made this month with these beads. There we go. Okay, so that's the back, and then that's the front. So these are, we've got some of the back and some of the front. Really pretty. Very pretty. Okay, and next, oh, I love me some Super Duos. Super Duo beads, jet and bronze mix. These are great too for building your stash up. Like, you know, if you don't use them all, you can never have too many Super Duos. That's my story and I'm sticking with it. So if you're not familiar with the Super Duo, I'm gonna hold one up. There's 2 holes. And so they're really great for bead weaving. Very pretty. I love this mix. What goodies we have this month. Now, this one, black onyx gemstones. Look at this strand. Don't know if this light is doing this baby justice or not, but this is absolutely beautiful. I mean, absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, I love this. Beautiful. I mean, you could do a double bracelet. You could even do like a choker necklace with these. Oh, beautiful. Nice long strand. And next are the Potomac beads, Athena cast metal beads round. I will pour some out just to show you. Look at how sparkly these babies are. So pretty. 1 hole. And then next, of course, they're gorgeous seed beads. These are Azuki seed beads, metallic blue iris, size 8. 8/0s. I'm trying to, so I'm not underneath so you can kind of see. Or maybe it'd be better if I poured them in here. Let me try to pour them in there. Okay. Just hope these don't go sailing. Yeah, I think that's a little better for you. So pretty. See all the purples, the blues, the greens. There's even like a little bit of a gold and copper shimmer. Absolutely gorgeous. Now let's try and do this. Ooh, I'm officially a professional. Can't drop one bead. Okay. And next, let me get my scissors out. Where are they? Okay. Laser cut cats with jump rings. So they have a film on there that you take off before you were to use them. So we have 2 of these and then 2 of the cat heads. How cute are those? And then they come with the jump rings. Oh, how cute. I think I'm going to put those in my own, and on my own bag, and I'll put that in there just so I know. Put those over here. Okay, and next are Czech glass fleur de lis. I think that's how it's pronounced. These are really pretty. They almost look like roses, kind of, but I don't know what they're, but it's kind of like this shape. See, like a tulip, I mean, that's kind of sticking out though. That's kind of the shape of it. These are really pretty though. Love these. Okay, and next is, I put my scissors away. Next is Athena cast tube clasp 4-strand premium silver plated. So these are really, really nice for connecting. That in there, and I'll put that in another bag so I don't lose it. Oh, here we go. Okay, I cut that wrong. And then we have Miyuki seed beads, silver Labrador full 8 O's. Miyuki seed beads are so awesome. Here you have these. They're really well made, the Miyuki seed beads. Once you start beading, you know, when you start out, you're getting the cheaper beads, and then you realize that, you know, they're odd shaped and they don't look right. But when you're doing bead weaving, these and the Toho beads and all, it's a totally different experience. And then these are the pewter end cones etched long cone silver, 28 by 10 millimeter. So these are really cool. And this goes all the way through like that. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I will leave a link below to the Potomac Beads website, and please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will leave all my social media below as well, and stay tuned because I will definitely be doing a tutorial with these. It's going to be so much fun. Oh, and also this wasn't on the thing, but I got these Czech drop beads black pack of 3. I forgot to show you these. I put these to the side because I went over it and I'm like, I don't know if it was extra or if they came in the box on accident, but I'm not going to turn these down. So these are really pretty as well. So thank you, Potomac Beads, for this extra gift, if that's what it is, or if maybe they forgot to put it on their list. I'm sure that happens sometimes. They are such a busy company. They're huge. So we're not going to turn away free beads, extra beads. So yeah, so hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.